Hello everybody, welcome to another day of being in another attic. Over 100 degrees for sure. But when you want to do your own thing, you pay the cost to be the boss. And I'm paying for it. So today, we are performing a HVAC maintenance service today for the summertime. What we have here is a Goodman air handler. 2.5 ton, you can see, with a regular P-trap. And a drain switch. Duckboard, bad duckboard. We don't like duckboard, you guys, in this industry. TXV metering device. So what I'm gonna do today, clean the indoor coil, blow out the drain line with my nitrogen, and add this union piece to help get rid of any future clogs without cutting up the PVC. That's all I'm doing just for the indoor session. Outdoors, I check all, like the indoors, check all the electrical components, making sure that they are reading within tolerance, and clean the coils outside too as well, which are pretty bad. And then basically go from there. They need Freon, I let them know at the time. Then that right there will conclude our maintenance agreement. Look at this. Not even 10 minutes in the attic and already going through the trials and tribulations of this industry. ICE HVAC services. Subscribe. And if you're local, call us